Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the correct Google account on a trusted device. This prevents accidental changes to a different profile. Once signed in, make sure the SIM in your phone can receive SMS or calls for verification. If you can't get SMS, prepare an alternate device or email recovery option. Open accounts. Google. Navigate to personal info, then to phone to see the current number listed. This is where you'll begin replacing or verifying the stored phone number. Now edit or remove the outdated number and add your new one. This is the critical middle step. Click Edit, type the new phone precisely, and choose whether to verify by text or call. Google will send a one-time code. If the code doesn't arrive, use the two-step prompts option or request a voice call. Sometimes carrier delays cause SMS to fail. Make sure you confirm the code immediately, and then review your two-step verification and recovery email settings to keep everything synchronized. Finish by testing the change. Sign out and attempt a sign-in that triggers verification to confirm your new number works. Once verified, update any devices and apps that use the old number for account recovery. Create backup codes and store them securely so you aren't locked out if SMS fails. If you run into trouble, one key tip is to check the carrier or phone settings for blocked short codes or spam filtering. Switching to a different network or using a temporary SIM often resolves persistent delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.